Auto repairs in Ramsgate. Just a quick little video today just to show you how to change a rear side light bulb on a 2004-2005 VW Touran. As you can see, side lights go, you've got two bulbs, one at the top, one at the bottom. On this side we've only got the one. So first of all you need to open the door. Right, let's get some light because it's very dark around here. Right, we've got some light on the subject. Now you can see that bulb that we got out. Now first of all what we need to do is to flick this, get this bit of trim off here. That'll expose two captive bolts, well two spline bolts in there that we need to remove to get the unit off. So what we need to do first of all is to take our pick, get it underneath this bit of plastic cover, and that comes off like that. And you can see you've got two Torx bolts. Right, these are T25 Torx. There's two. Now this just should pull out so it slots out from the side. There we go. I've got to put the camera down for this bit. Right, the light unit just slides to the left and comes off. You've got two little poppers down there that slot into these slots, and that just comes away. Now what we need to do is just pinch these tabs. Again, I might have to do this off camera. There we go. Down there for a minute. We'll put that inside the car. This orange one looks like it because it's seen better days. This one here looks like it's blown, and this is the one that's gone. So we'll change them, and we're back in a sec. Right, that's all the bulbs changed. See, that was the Duff bulb for the side light. That is an additional light there for the side lights. I'll do this off camera because I can't do it one-handed. And we'll be back in a sec. And there we are, all back together again. I will just explain about these rear lights. They use a modulated voltage on the canvas system to function. Because the top bulb there is only a 21 watt single filament bulb. That does side light and brake light. It works at a modulated voltage of I think about 50% for the side light, and then it goes up to 100%, 12 volt for the brake light. The same with the one at the bottom. It works on 50% modulated voltage for side light, and then 100% modulated voltage 12 volts for the fog light, which is why you've got an additional bulb in there for the side light as well, and then you just got the indicator in the middle. I thought I'd better explain that because that confuses some people when they take the light out and they expect to find dual filament bulbs, but they use a combination of the one bulb for the two jobs. So that's how you change your rear side light, brake light or indicator bulbs in your VW. Thank you for watching.